Okay, here's an item you don't think about very often, O-rings. If you're using air tools, eventually you're going to need an O-ring. This is 397 pieces. It's a metric kit. Costs around $10. It's item 67580. They have it on sale every now and then for that $10. I think the normal price is a little higher. One of the things I like about Harbor Freight is they give you these cases that keep things organized. I like that. Okay, so when we open it up, there is a chart that lists all the sizes. Gives you a part number and a nominal size and a quantity of each one. So I like the way they organize this. Little plastic tees that hold the different sizes in place. Lets you easily take one off, try it, see if it's the right size or not. Put it back. It's not perfect because this stuff won't stay down in, but I'm okay with that. And it has these wells that keep the O-rings organized. Keeps them separated so you're not looking through a whole pile of them. Sometimes they get a little jammed down in there, but that's okay. They're still organized. So you've got all the different sizes. You can easily see what you need, easily get them or put them back. Same thing with the tees. Easily take them off, put them back. The major advantage of this kit is it keeps them organized so you can find what you want, but it allows you to find what you need easily. It has these little guides on the side. See if I can get a close-up of that. It has these little guides that if you have a broken O-ring, you can put them down in that hole and it'll give you what size they are or the closest you can get. Same thing here, and this is for SAE, so there is a little bit of conversion that you can do with this, although the things in here are normally biometric. So it lets you an easy way to find a fit. It won't give you the exact size you need, but it'll get you close so you know at least where to start looking. Very handy kit to have. For less than $10 to keep this around the shop, well worth the price. I needed an O-ring and I went to Harbor Freight and this happened to be on sale. This is one of the few times that I would actually have bought something that wasn't on sale because I needed the part. You need to keep this around so when you have a problem with one of your air tools, you need an O-ring, it's readily available and it's not going to stop you from working for the day. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.